Put it in deep. Put it.
Hey, madam, you don't enter.
That spot, put it in.
Madam, they feel am now.
Deeper.
You don't enter. You know they see am. You know they feel am.
Okay.
Feel am now.
Okay. Careful.
Madam, don't worry. I'll do everything well. Wait, I feel climb on top of it.
Yes, on top. Yes, so you can put it so it will go deeper when you climb. Exactly.
Madam, you and your boyfriend are there for this bed.
I didn't know you were this good. I would have been calling you since.
But don't worry, I did for you any day, anytime.
You are so good. Be just you alone. See how deep you fixed this. Oh.
And I mean, they come you copy one from you, guy.
Don't worry, from now on, I will call you. Anytime I want to do it, I'll call you.
See, I didn't do anything. Let me just come down, go this side. So I'll follow that side, enter from back.
From back, yeah. Okay, that's fine. Let me, so it will be very easy. Okay. Yeah, it went so deep.
Get out of here! Come on! Get out of here!
Why did you slap me?
So, I didn't know I got married to a wall, to a hole. What's all this?
What happened? What just happened? Why did you slap me?
Why would I slap you? I didn't know you. I wasted my time. I wasted my money. You are a lot. You slut.
Stop calling me some awesome name. What's the name of that nonsense?
You don't even see anybody better to deal with. Our gate man, for that matter. Okopi.
What with?
I had everything. Do you think I didn't hear any other things? You put it from the back, put it from the front. You do that's better than I do.
He was helping me to fix the bed.
Bed, from the back too. I had back. Oh, hey.
You see, this is a misunderstanding.
No, I don't want to believe you. I heard what I heard. Oh.
Honestly, I don't like this thing. I asked him to help me fix the bed, and this is what we've been doing since. He just finished, and you slapped me.
Fixing the bed. Then you guys, I caught you. Who are you?
He just said, oh, what is this? Why did you slap me? I don't like this thing.
Why won't I slap you? You are a lot.
Don't call me a
slut. I should have known better. Thank God. Ever since I met you, all I know that you've been doing is TikTok here, TikTok that. Now you even had a lot, you know, to your own this thing work now. Thank God I'm not married to you. Thank God. God.
What are you even saying?
Thank God I caught you red-handed.
You are accusing me.
In my bedroom, my own bedroom. Gate man, of all people. All you do is TikTok in this house. TikTok.
Madam, you call me.
So you cannot knock.
Sorry. And as you don't come, you know sir they come.
Inside. Please help me fix the bed.
David, you have to pass. Madam, yeah. How your man done?
Fix it inside.
See, she's even working out on me.
Oh, she's working out on me.
Worry.
Insult upon injury.
Yes. Thank God I was on live on TikTok.
So,
and I'm very sure that everything that happened here will be here.
She's still making mouth because I've not told you to pack your bags and leave this house, Abi. Because of.
You see? You just came in, you slapped me, you did not even ask me anything. You called me a harlot because of this. You even slapped me on top of it.
It wasn't my fault. You should understand now.
Understand what?
You should understand. I was hearing.
We've been dating for how long? And you don't even trust me.
No, I do, but I heard what.
No, you don't.
From the back, it does it better than I do. Why would you? Who would hear that?
You should have asked me.
I know I
could just asked.
I try my best when it comes to this thing. So I was pained, you know, when I heard it does it better from the back. You should imagine. Boo, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please.
Don't touch me.
I'm sorry. I know I offended you. I know I have offended you. I'm sorry. It is what I read. That was what caused the anger. I'm very sorry.
If you were to be in my position, what would you do?
Baby, please now.